So this is the day after I removed the damaged tiles. You can check out that video if you want to see the series of me repairing all the stuff here and all that. And well, I'm back. So I'm back to patch it up, is what it is. If you did see the previous video, the dust is unearthly. So let me clean it up a little bit just to work in a cleaner area. See all that dust? Yep, here we go. Just wipe it down. So we have this little piece here, and we're going to put a screw in the middle, I think, like right there. You'll see. So the idea is to slide this in here, and then we'll use 2 screws through the drywall, if it's at all possible, to set it, to hold it. I'm not sure how this will turn out. It's quite an uncomfortable endeavor. There's other products that they sell for this sort of thing at the box stores and all that, but this is what we got. And this is kind of an iffy thing because the sheetrock can blow out, and it is going to, because there's nothing to hold it there. That held it. So that's enough to hold the tile once it's all dried up with the mastic and all that jazz. Now we'll do this one here. If you're thinking it's slightly ghetto, maybe so, maybe not, but we're just building behind the wall that the sheetrock blew out. We want to just take care of these little areas. So we have these pieces of scrap that are holding, well, basically going to hold the tiles with the mastic and grout and all that stuff. Once it dries, it'll be seamless. But we do have to secure the back. So we're going to do another piece now. Some folks might even say you don't even need to worry about that. Just cut off a piece of drywall and set it there with some flaps on the back. Do the screw and press. Could do that too, but it's all the same thing. But we got it. Looks ugly now, but we'll fix it up. We have our backing here so that we can add the tiles. Get the tiles, I left them outside so they can dry. You can see a lot of rust, but we don't need all of them, so. Kiki, I love you. So we need a set of 3. We'll do a set of 3. And here's our set of 3. This is just to start with. This will be going on here. We'll do that in a second. Here, let's cut out 3 more that we need. See which ones are usable. 3 more, then we have a 2 and a 2. Okay, we'll cut this edge here. Oh, this one broke from its thing, but from its little connect, but that's fine. Those three will connect in here, boy, like that. And these top three over here. And we need a 2 and a 2. See how? That's how it's gonna go. We have to work on it. We need 2 tiles here, 2 tiles here. Pair of tiles there, 2 pairs. And there we have it. So we'll go ahead and use some oopsie. We'll go ahead and use some mastic and set these. And of course I didn't bring the mastic with me, so let me go get that. Alright, so I went to Home Depot. I turned off the camera and went to Home Depot because I didn't have the mastic. And I decided to buy a few other things. Outlet cover that was busted. A little bit of compound. I don't foresee needing more than that. And I could not find my caulk gun, so I bought that too. Mastic here. And this is some good stuff if you've never used it. So I'll just scrape some of this stuff. Caking it on. There we go. And I'm gonna just clean my finger on this piece down here for the moment. Let's put the secondary one in. Should have brought my sponge, but I didn't. I gotta go get that just to wipe off excess and all. So yeah, we'll let that dry, and then we'll grout, and it'll be as if it never happened. Just about. And we got this top one done. Let me clean that up as well. These are drying. Alright, so we just gotta let that dry and then we'll do the grout. So while that dries, I bought a light for the kitchen because this one's just not working, as you can see. Oh, we got light. We're good. Meanwhile over here, this is still drying, so we have to wait, essentially. But once it's dry, we can go and grout. Alright, that's it for today.